Hello everyone, as you can see this is one of the previous year question of RRB NTPC held on 13 Jan 2021 shift 1. So let's see how we can solve this question of time and work within few seconds and save our time in exam. Here it is given a boy does 1/4 of the work done by a man in the same time. So if the time is constant in the same time, a boy can do 1/4 of the work done by a man. So from here you can find out the ratio of efficiency of man and boy, that is 1/4. That means if a boy can do 1 unit of work in a particular time, in that particular time the man can do 4 unit of that particular work. Next it is said that 15 men can complete a particular work in 17 days. Now we all know the basic formula of time and work, that is total work equal to total efficiency into total time. Now here total work, if you want to find out, here you can see that 15 men can complete the work in 17 days. That means total days or time taken by the 15 men is 17 days. So in place of time we are writing 17. Now we have 15 men. So efficiency of one man is 4. So efficiency of 15 men will be 15 into 4, that is 60. So here total efficiency is 60. So like this you can find out the total work, that is 60 into 70. No need to calculate. Just leave it like this. We will calculate at the end. Now here it is given if 3 men are replaced by 3 boys. Now total 15 men were there. Now according to the question it is said no, 15 men are not there. Instead of that 3 men are replaced by 3 boys. That means in place of this 15 men only 15 minus 3, that is 12 men are coming, and along with that 3 boys are coming to complete the work. So we can conclude that 12 men and 3 boys are coming for the work. So here if we want to find out the total efficiency of 12 men and 3 boys, then we know the efficiency of 1 man is 4. So efficiency of 12 men will be 12 into 4, that is 48. Plus here we have 3 boys. So efficiency of 1 boy is 1. So 3 into 1 we are getting 3. That means total efficiency in this case is 51. Now in the question it is asked the work will be completed. Means if the efficiency is now this and the total work we already know, you need to find out the time. So we know the formula of time. So total work is efficiency into time. So time will be total work divided by efficiency. So time equal to total work divided by total efficiency. So here total work we already calculated, 60 into 17 divided by here total efficiency, that is 51 now. So if you divide 17 3s is 51 and 3 into 20 is 60. So 20 days will be your correct answer, that is option number 2. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and to get notification of newly uploaded important contents of our channel you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important concepts. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.